Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so activation can proceed cleanly. First, make sure you are signed into the same Apple ID in Settings, Messages, and FaceTime. This ties iMessage to your account. Once done, confirm a solid cellular or Wi-Fi connection and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to refresh network registers. Also make sure date and time is set to automatic, because mismatched time often blocks activation. These steps prevent common account and network blockers before moving on. Next, perform the actionable checks that resolve most mid-process failures. Sign out of Messages and FaceTime, restart your device, and sign back in. This forces a fresh authentication handshake with Apple servers. If activation still fails, reset network settings to clear cached conflicts, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Also confirm with your carrier that SMS is provisioned on your line, since iMessage uses a one-time SMS for verification. Once confirmed, retry activation. To finish, make sure your iOS is up to date because fixes and server changes can affect activation. Install updates and restart your device. If problems persist, collect the activation error messages and contact Apple support so they can inspect server-side or account issues. As a last resort, back up your device and perform a clean restore to eliminate software corruption. This often clears stubborn activation blocks. If the restore fails, ask support for account-level escalation. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.